PlayStation 3! Digiball 2! Yugi! Oh!
It's time to do.
Good Gundam stop! Ooh, I need you to make a review on these whole floppy, hard, floppy disk. Ooh! Seriously. Ooh! Ooh! My name is New Focus Voice!
This thing ain't budging, boy girls.
Huh? What are these? Floppy disk. They don't look floppy. Wow, because they remade. They used to be floppy, but they remade them. That's hard floppy disks. They're not so floppy. Then they can be torn up so easily. Ooh. Ooh. Fine. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, hey guys, viewers are here and oh shit, hold on. Hey guys, viewers are here. Whoa! Today we're going to review this floppy disk. Now, these are very old, so I don't know if a lot of kids are watching this know what these are. But where's the fifth? Let's have this. Like I told them they only let me keep 4 of them. I don't know why they just look cool even though they're completely useless. So I don't have a computer that uses these. But I guess I can review them. I don't know whether they're on these, so I can't really use. But here's the green one, very good detail. As I was saying, I have an SH no, not really. You know, like the girl said, they used to be, you know, floppy. I guess they made them hard, that way they're not so easy to be tore up. I guess it's just like what the thing, I don't know, like you just insert it into like a thing, it just closes, it doesn't like, it closes just like thing where you can do that kind of, you know. That's the thing you can write it on. Same thing with all the others.
Yeah, well, we're duelists. He saw you pass across this chamber.
And obviously, have a nice day. Change chomp.
So let the contest now begin. Notify. You're next of kin. You're trapped and the doors are all locked.
Change chomp.
You face the brother.
Yomp.
Employed by Pegasus as eliminators. To take